Hello everyone, my name is Dakota Stoner, and I am here with Project 2 for my Unity project that is using root motion for the ways to move around the world. So, just to start off, for this project I'm going to be going over my pickups. I'm going to be going over pickups, different types of weapons, equipping them and all of that, and IK. So the first thing we have is the pickups. So we have a pickup spawner. The way I have it set up is it takes a list of the spawnable objects, and then when it starts, it let me pull these over here. So when it starts, it instantiates all of the spawnable objects inside that list, um, adds them to a new list, and sets that whole entire list false, so they are not active. Then after that, we have it to where if all the objects in the hierarchy are inactive, we start adding time to S time. We start adding time.delta time to S time, and if S time is greater than equal to spawn time, we then randomly set one of those objects, turn it on, and set it true. After that, an object is active, so it will then set the time equal to 0 and start adding time.delta time to D time. Once D time is greater than or equal to destroy time, it will set that object false. And it will just continue doing this, so the objects don't just always stay in the world, they appear to despawn and all of that. And then on the other side, we also have a little spin, just to give it a little flair. Then we have, for the actual pickups, we have pickup health. So on this one, it's just standard, you have a private float, that's health, and when the character walks into the trigger on the object, it will then check to see if it is the proper character, and then if the player isn't over max health, it will add health to the player's health, and then set the object false. Same thing is for ammo, it just adds ammo to the player's ammo condition, and then sets the object false. So next we have is the weapon handler. So on spawn, when the game starts, somewhere in here, yeah, it doesn't really matter, but when the game starts, it calls equip weapon. So depending on whatever weapon was passed into the variable, it will then check against that and spawn one of these weapons depending on if it's a rifle, handgun, or sword. It will then change the weapon animation type accordingly, and then you'll go from there. After that, it will also start the on animated IK, which if there's not an equip weapon, it'll just set everything to 0, all the weight and position and all of that, so it'll just be following the normal movements. But if a weapon is not null, it will then look further if the weapon has a right hand IK target, left hand IK target, and all that, and it will set the position and rotation equal to that, and change the weight of the IK to 1. So it will then move the hands, or feet if you have that. It will then move them to whatever the position is. So it will attach the hands so they will follow the gun and it won't look weird. After that, I think that's it for now. So let's show what we have. Alright. So first things first, I don't have any actual pickups for the guns in the game, but you are able to, wow, they spawn fast. Okay, 1 second. I gotta change something. Let's change that to 0.5. Okay, but, so, let's go ahead and make these windows. Come on, Unity. Okay, I guess it's as small as you can go. That's fine. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Alright, so... Okay, that's fine. Alright, so the first weapon that you'll spawn with, that you can choose is the Markov. Oh, that's correct. But so, if we find the Vanguard clone, you'll see it. Its hands follow the position, the IK positions on the gun. So, if we go and look for the gun inside the hierarchy, it has IK positions that will move. The hand will move with the IK position. So then it will, of course, follow the gun. And the same thing can be done for other weapons as well. So we have the assault rifle. So the hand follows the IK position set on the assault rifle. And lastly, we have the sword and shield. Ignore that. So, and then, of course, like I showed, on the last ones, it will then connect to where the hands are and follow that accordingly. Alright, so actually, let's not do that. Right, so right here, I currently only have one object spawn in the game, but so next is the object spawner. As you can see on the left hand side, the ammo, the gray box will appear, and after a short time it will then despawn, so to say. Let's go ahead and turn on debug mode. So the D time is being added to it, and then once it reaches 10, it will then start adding to spawn time. Once S time reaches spawn time, it will then go. So go and shoot some, take some damage. So when I walk into the health spawner, it will then add health to me and heal me. And currently, it only sets them active and inactive. So so those are the spawners. That's the pickup spawners. Next we have the enemy spawners. So here, you are able to go in and kill them. Let's get a weapon that has a little more damage. And then once they die, run out of health, they'll die, and then eventually destroy. Yep. And I believe that is currently my project too. Thank you for watching.